so we can give it preference and your matter can be finalized like you so indicate under oath. With regard to the inquiry in terms of section 67, subsection 2, my order is as follows. The court finds from the evidence presented that the accused did go to the doctor on the 3rd of March 2025 because he was not feeling well. From the arguments from the bar, it appears the doctor was of the view that the accused was not in a position to stand his trial on the 3rd of March 2025 and therefore booked him off for a day when the accused didn't, for a day in order to recover, and that the accused did in fact report to court on the 4th of March 2025. The court finds that the accused did contact the investigating officer and stated that he was on his way on the 3rd of March 2025. Then it seems that he did not follow up with the investigating officer, that he was ill and had seen the doctor. The court finds that the accused's failure to attend court on the 3rd of March 2025 was due to his ill health, and that given what the section says, there was no fault per se on his side in that regard. He was simply unwell to attend court in his trial. However, the court is mindful of the fact that it accepts his version that he was unwell. The court will reinstate his bail subject to the following conditions. That the accused be present at 8:30 tomorrow on the 6th of March 2025 so that the trial can proceed with his plea being taken and he remains in attendance and thereafter maintain his appearance as required for the case to be finalized. Isn't that fair?
Yeah, it's very fair. I'm out.
It's not about getting out. It's about you starting the trial tomorrow and us finalizing the trial. That's what we're talking about here. Okay? So I will expect you and the followers to be here tomorrow so we can start. So I'm going to demand until tomorrow. Please report yes for plea and trial. Your bail will be extended subjected to the condition I just proposed. Your bail is extended and you to remain in attendance until we are done with it. Mr. Khanyile, I'll see you tomorrow.
It's no problem.
Unfortunately, it's not 12 o'clock, it's going to be 8:30. Now, on a serious note, you have, the prosecution has presented their case as to previous delays in this matter, and that is standing on the record. And he's pointed out to you what were the delays. We can't take that away from the state. That is in the court documents and on the charge sheet. Now that is why we have gone through all of those lengthy pre-trials so that we could start. You have indicated your frustration at not having a speedy trial. So tomorrow is your opportunity to ensure that the state is put in their trial like you wanted and we move on. But you have to be here, please. I have faith that you will be here in the morning. I really do. Because if you are not here, and that means you have violated this order. By 9 o'clock, if you have 8:30, if you are not here, then the investigating officer will be well within his rights to go and arrest you again for violating your bail condition. Am I getting myself clear? Then this time the application can be that the state makes a proper full application for your